Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about ways to be more attractive. Today we're talking about 5 signs of emotional attraction. 2020 has been a year. Relationships has gone like this. Singleness has gone like this. Friends with benefit has gone like this. And they're just doing things that doing anyhow has gone like this. Because of the internet, we find it difficult to actually have this emotional attraction to people. We feel like, hello, Instagram, I check you on TikTok, I check you on Instagram, I check you on Facebook, Snapchat, that's okay. Like, I already know your life, I know what you do. I know you wake up in the morning by so time because you post a Snapchat video by so time. I know you go to work because I know you take pictures on Instagram. In the office, in the evening, I know you do it because I know you, like, it doesn't matter. Emotional attraction is stable, gradual, patient, and intimate. Most times this kind of attraction lasts longer than any kind of attraction, without physical attraction, any kind of attraction. Emotional attraction actually stays longer because you are connected to this person. You feel connected to this person. You feel like you're in sync with this person even without them saying a word. You can literally feel them wherever you are. Like, I feel like something is wrong with my partner. That kind of, you can have that kind of attraction to the person. You get? That's really my definition of emotional attraction. It's not about your size, it's not about your body, it's not about what you are, who you are. It's just you. It's just one sign of emotional attraction. They understand you better. You're very comfortable with this person. You're very vulnerable. You're very yourself. You don't need to pretend. You don't need to act in a certain way. You don't need to. You don't, like, everything manners is out the door. Like, everything leads, everything to get out the door. This person sees you for who you really are. You guys are just, it's like, you know, this kind of, even when you guys are quarreling, you still feel like you still want to see this person, you still want to talk to this person, even when you guys have a misunderstanding. Number 2, you always feel like talking to this person every time. Like, you're always on the phone, you guys are spending hours talking. Like, you never run out of gist. You never feel like, oh, I'm bugging this person, or oh, we're talking too much on the phone. Like, 3 hours you're still there and you're still like, you still, on normal day you might never be able to talk to someone for the next 30 minutes, but now you're talking to the person for complete 3 hours and you are still there. Like, oh, you feel so connected. The communication is easy, the communication is sweet, the communication is long, it's lasting. You get? It's something that cannot be explained. Like, why is it that whenever I'm talking to this person, you always want to talk to this person? It's not about, oh, you did not call me today, oh, you did not call me yesterday, oh, I called, you did not pick, oh, then all that doesn't happen. Like, you guys are eager to talk to yourself. Number 3, your values are almost the same. People believe that unlike attract when it comes to relationship. Yeah, most times it does, depending on who these people are. Now, if I do not like someone who smokes, I won't go marry someone who smokes. I don't care how attractive or how insane we are. Just because of that particular fact that I can't take this, I won't be with you. Okay? But say now, I don't smoke, you don't smoke. I like movies, you like movies. I like to travel, obviously. He likes to travel. I'm the kind of person that likes seafood a lot. I want a man that likes seafood a lot. I want a man that would tell me, let's go to church on Sunday. Let's go, oh, I stopped by church today. I'm in this group in the church. I want a man that is seriously connected with God and all that. You get? I'm not just talking about someone that goes to church on Sunday and that's it. Like, I want someone that is really connected to God, holds morning prayers, holds devotions, and you get? Now, if I do not get someone that's like, if I see someone that just tends to sleep off every other day, and maybe if I tell the person, oh, this is the kind of, I like someone that is close to God, and this person is making an effort to work towards it, we can't be together. We can't be together because every time I'm always going to resent you for that fact alone. I would resent you. Okay? I would always resent you. Their opinion matters. Now, have you met this person that whenever you are in trouble, they are the first people you call? Your significant other, they are the first person you call. Like, they're the first people you call. Like, oh, this happened to me. The happy news, they're the first people you're calling. The sad news, they're the first people you're calling. And it's like, okay, why do I do that? It's not because they're indulging so much. It's just because they are good at what they do. They understand you, they get you, They're the people you want to share your happy stories with. They're the people that you want to share your sad moments with, because they would understand you, they will comfort you, they will advise you if need be. You get, they will encourage you if need be. Someone that will hold your hand and tell you, let's kneel and pray together. Don't worry, I'm praying with you. Don't worry, I'll pray for you this night. Don't worry, we'll pray together. That kind of person. Or, oh, I need this. Oh, this is a business idea I have and I cannot materialize. Okay, let's work together. Let's do this. What can you do? What can I do? Let's do it together. Like someone that is invested in you. That kind of person you want to share your opinions with. Oh, I want to just, what do you think? I want to even wear. There's how a girl makes a guy happy, that the guy is like, even to what he wears, he's like, oh, my girlfriend likes when I wear jeans. I've seen guys that say, oh, my girlfriend likes when I wear jeans. My girlfriend likes when I wear native. My wife likes when I wear this. And I'm like, wow, she even picks what you wear. And he's like, oh yeah, she likes it. And I see women that always say, oh, he likes this type of hair. He likes blonde hair. He likes blonde hair, okay? But if you're not connected to this person, you won't even. There's some people that are married with children and don't even know their husband's favorite color. There's some people that are seriously in a relationship and they don't even know their partner's genotype or their partner's nickname. That's sad. Really sad. Like, I've dated someone that I didn't know the guy's name for a month plus. I didn't know his name for a month plus, and I was so scared and so shy to start asking him, sorry, I forgot your name, what's your name? So now imagine I dated somebody that I didn't know his name. Would you call that dating? That's not dating. You get? You won't call that dating, because if I do not know specific things about you, why are we then together? Like, means that we do not even spend enough time together, enough for me to even know one or two things about you. You get what I'm calling? Yeah. Advisor worthy. Why I put it like that is, you know, people that, you know, when someone, okay, if you're in Nigeria, there's always someone that sells something in front of your house that you feel like you're credit worthy. That's a better way to explain. Like, every time you go to this person, even if you don't have money, you can go and collect things on credit from this person and go home. And they won't complain because they feel like they've gained your trust enough. They know you enough for them to let you go with something from their store without paying for it, you get. So that is, now bring it to a relationship. Advisor worthy means someone that you feel like anything this person tells you, you will do it. Like, you don't even need to question, is it wrong? Maybe is it like, you trust them so much, they appreciate you, you trust them. There's this connection, you feel like anything they tell you always works out for you. Like, they are more concerned about you. Okay, what are you doing? Okay, you didn't post today, why didn't you post today? And what do you have problems with? What can I help you with? Someone that is involved in your life. That's really important. That's my last tip. Okay, that's really important. But overall, what I would say is, strive to have a more emotional attraction with your partner than, say, even physical, because physical will fade. The emotional attraction, most times it happens even between friends. That's why someone will say marry your best friend, date your best friend, because those people get to know you without any form of pretense, except the friendship is not a good friendship. But if it's a good friendship, this person knows you without brushing your teeth in the morning. This person knows you without making your hair. Okay, so you should strive for that kind of relationship in your life. That would really help you. So guys, I hope you took something from this video. Don't forget to watch my other videos that talk about relationships and how to be attractive, how to be confident, how to be more feminine, not a feminist that doesn't know what feminism means. If you check my video, you'll see more about feminism and stuff. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Thank you. I'm at 770 subscribers. I know we're getting to 1,000 very soon. Please, guys, don't forget to continue clicking that subscribe button until we get to 1,000 and above. Okay, thank you so much, guys.